Hello my fellow creators, and welcome to my YouTube channel. And welcome to the unboxing for my Spellbinders August 2026 All Clubs Crate series. So I got my All Clubs Crate box and I thought we could unbox it together. Now I do have the box upside down because my mailing information is on the top side. So all the goodies are right here as you open it. So let me set the box aside and we will get started unboxing all the fun in this box. So there's so much goodness in the All Clubs Crate this month, as in every month. But let's get started. Let's start with the stencil of the month. And this month it is the Peekaboo, and it's a 5-piece layering stencil. And you'll get this image when you stencil it. Now the trick to this is to start with white cardstock, because the ghosts, which are in white, are the negative space from when you're done stenciling. Now of course, if you want pink ghosts, you start with pink paper. If you want pale blue ghosts, you start with that paper. But just know it'll change the way your other colors come across. But very, very cute. I'm excited to use this one. Next, we have our stitching die of the month, and this one is Franken Stitch. So cute. Look at all the dies. It does have some more dies that say trick or treat. And then you get these strips that you can stitch or not stitch. It's up to you, of course, and make this fun little mummy or Frankenstein or little fun monster for Halloween cards. You could also do some other fun things with these strips, I'm sure. I'll think about it. Maybe I'll do something different. Maybe not. Maybe I'll stick with a Halloween card. Next, we have our small die of the month. This is Boo Crew Lab. Loving it. It has these books and then your little, what are they called? Beakers. A little candle, a little pumpkin. I love it. So I like these books because I could also pair it with that other book die that's from Spellbinders. I can't think of the name of it right now, but I'll put a link to it in the description box. And I'll put a link to all the clubs as well. So this is fun. I love it. I love the little ghost there, your little pumpkin with a little witch hat. And then you can cut the books either with or without the words. So one word you could cut, or sentiment, it says ghost story. And the other one says spellbound. So that's our small die of the month. Next, we have the press and foil. Oh, I love this. So this one, you have, this is your press plate, and then there's sentiments that you can press. And then this die cuts a smaller little ghost. However, your press ghost has the scary face, and your die cut ghost has a little happy face. Loving it. And then the sentiments are boo, humbug, I tried to be nice, it was terrifying. And then it has, does it have Now Leave Me Alone? It does. Now Leave Me Alone. Loving it. Oh, and then instead of foil this month with this, we get Better Press ink cube, and it's the Better Press black. So loving that. And I'm sorry if I get out of camera at any point. I'm kind of racing through this today because my mama's in the hospital, so I gotta get this done, recorded, and go check on her. So here is the clear Stampin' Die of the month. This is Trick or Snark. So this one has all the fun sentiments plus a couple of images. So you have these little monsters holding up balloons, and there's some little small candy images. And then of course all these fun sentiments and the dies that will cut all that out. Very fun. Then we have our large die of the month. And this one, what is the name of it? Boo Mobile. And it cuts out this fun pumpkin-shaped car. And I don't know, somebody else mentioned it in their video, but since they said it, it stuck with me. kind of looks like the Batmobile, right? The way it's shaped. So we'll see what we do with that. And there's a bat flying over on top. So you have the dies to cut out that Boomobile, plus the one to cut out a ghost, your bat. There's the wings, a little witch hat, and then a couple of sentiment flags. So this says, hey, boo, and some little skulls. Very fun. Witch's legs. Very fun die set. I just love the large. I love all the clubs, but the large die of the month always has so much goodness in it. Okay, then we have our embossing folder of the month, which is Happy Jacks. So you get all these jack-o'-lantern faces. Really cute. And our 3D embossing folder of the month is a 2-for-1, if you will. It's called Spooky Web. But you can do an A2 panel with these spider webs or with these like strips, like mummy strips of fabric. Really fun. So you can make 2 different background panels with one embossing folder. So that's Spooky Web, the 3D embossing folder. Then our exclusive die for getting the All Clubs crate is Scaredy Cat. Love it. So you get this large cat face here and tail. You have pumpkin, a little sentiment that says eek, and he looks a little bit upset. But we could always, you know, go with that and make him a spooky, scaredy cat, right? Love it. Then our little bonus die is this one. So cute. And this will kind of help you to make different monster faces. So you get a big mouth, some different teeth, different size circles to make your different eyes there. Then the insides, like the tongue on the inside of the mouth. So you can make a lot of different spooky faces. So like here, they just combined, looks like it's in the 3D embossing folder for the background panel, and then just the dies in this bonus die set. So cute. And then as usual, we get a pack of color wheel cardstock, and this is the Crafty Boo Crew Creative Spark Pack. So let me open it up and show you what colors come in it. Alrighty, so the colors in this month's pack of color wheel cardstock are, let's see, carrot, terracotta, cinnamon, peridot, rainforest, lilac, lavender, fog, and let's see, anchor, and raven. So that's all the colors. Again, it's carrot, terracotta, cinnamon, peridot, rainforest, lilac, lavender, fog, anchor, and raven. So here are all our fun goodies with the August 2026 All Clubs crate from Spellbinders. Stay tuned for day 1 coming tomorrow, where I will use one of the 8 clubs to make a fun Halloween card. Thanks for sticking around to the end. I'd be thrilled if you subscribed to my YouTube channel or followed me on any of my other social media platforms. As always, have a beautiful, safe, and creative day. Thanks for watching. Bye.